This is a project that I've done through processing that uses Java to help me execute my project. The project is centered around taking an interactive experience with the viewer and utilizing that data in the sketch. So this sketch is about using the amplitude from the microphone built into my device and using that to change the fill in my sketch. So over here I have my variables. I have float and integers, and also I imported the processing sound library and have my variables used to plug in the amplitude variable. I come down to the setup function, and I have full screen on, and I use my width and height integer variables to help me set up my scale of the drawing and how many rows I want to take up. I use scale up here, the function, in setting up how many squares or triangles I want to have in my sketch, as we can see here in my triangle strip, which is what each shape consists of, is very small triangles that are matched up from vertice to vertice. So when I go through, I have my flying variable, which controls the speed of how fast my y-axis is moving, and the y-coordinates are plugged into the x-coordinates, and I continue going on. And so then I have my fill down here, which changes based on the amplitude. And so the fill here, we have amp value as my main variable, which uses the amp analyze function. And as you can see, amp analyze we have up here plugged into the setup. So it will take whatever is used from the microphone to change the fill in this shape. So if you want to see the sketch, here we go. I'll click on Run. And here we go. This is the sketch with a black fill, and when I increase my amplitude, it displays a more white fill. So here's my project, and you can see the triangle strips underneath in the mesh, and so this is my first project.